Hello. Good early morning. We The time is 5:20. 5:20. We discuss about the word of thinking in tune. Universe thinking is exactly in tune 00. The tail of the mindset at the straight. The continuing line is the tongue, the mouth speaking. The movement is the same at the tongue movement using for the mouth speaking, but the tail of the thinking using for the movement to speed move to speed moving, and the tongue is using the continuing line from the back going to the front, the speed mouth speaking clearly like the movement. In the Bible text, that is the teacher of the Jesus Santo Espiritu, the changing mm, body going to the word of the snake, only the thinking and up to the complete body forming. And then the other exam, all that is the word of teacher and student, the guideline to not uh, mistaken the Jesus Santo Espiritu in the Bible text. The Jesus Santo Espiritu is the word of the child from the people, but the other, that is the evolution from the universe when he accepted his death life. That is the story of the universe, but only one. The Santo Espiritu is evolved like the snake, because no speaking, only movement, but to upping the heavy wood and the punishment to not getting the wound in the body, but so many wound, because that is the people punishment. So many people crucified in the cross before the Jesus Santo Espiritu is out, the same with the human, to giving the freedom the all people suffering at the cross, the punishment of the Pariseo at the past, because the Pariseo have a power, much power from the word of the politics at the past, studying in the book, because in the school discussing in the school, and every time I going to the school, I did not interested to the school. I study, but I did not study like my classmate to get the high ranking in the school and get the word of the level of the grade 80 or 90. I study for my happiness. Is the reason. Only my studying is enjoying to my life, because the people, so many mindset in the future must good graduate and from college, not mind the word of the grade, because when you are in the work, no grade, only your body, physical body, in mouth speaking. If you're a good moving, no affected to the people, in speaking, no affected to the people, must good in the work. But me, I have no work. I build my body again because it's very broken my body because I observe the sicknesses. What is the sicknesses? The sicknesses is the cemetery hell. The studying into secret knowledge and power. Mass building in the body, the word of the cemetery hell, universe, mind. 5 elements of the thinking. And